The Beaches podcast is going to give you everything you want to know about a beach before you go there. I hope you enjoy the show. Be sure to check out our website, www.sandee.com. Without further ado, let's get into the show.
Ready to ditch those well-worn flip-flops for some hiking boots?
Yeah, I hear you.
Today we're trading sandy beaches for something a little different. We're going deep into the heart of West Virginia.
That's right. The Mountain State. Always a good choice.
Your research tells me you're looking for more than just a typical, touristy vacation. You're after a true mountain experience. And that's what this deep dive is all about. We're taking your input and really digging into what makes West Virginia so special.
And you're definitely on the right track. Everyone's chasing those unique travel experiences now, right?
Mm-hmm.
West Virginia, it just delivers that in spades. Authentic, unspoiled beauty. It's what travelers crave. It's right there waiting for you.
Yeah. Absolutely. So we're talking mountains, but your notes get pretty specific about a particular area you're interested in. Right? What makes this particular area stand out?
It's hard to describe. It's this incredible blend of history, rugged landscapes. You really feel like you're stepping back in time. We're talking about things like the Seneca Creek Trail, trails that wind through these ancient old-growth forests.
Wow.
I mean, you can literally hike in the footsteps of settlers, even Native Americans from centuries ago.
That's incredible. Just picturing that. Okay, so we're talking about experiencing these mountains, but to really tailor this deep dive, we got to figure out what calls to you most, right? Is it the hiking? Is it immersing yourself in the history? We got to unlock that to make this deep dive really sing.
You hit the nail on the head. Figuring out the what is really the key to unlocking that amazing West Virginia experience.
Yeah.
You've got hiking for every skill level, from those like leisurely strolls to, those heart-pounding climbs. But it goes beyond just trails, right?
Right.
Imagine you could be exploring an abandoned mining town,
Yeah.
completely reclaimed by nature. Talk about stepping back in time. It's like these ghost towns are whispering stories of a bygone era.
See, abandoned mining towns. Now you're speaking my language. That's the kind of unique, undiscovered gem I'm talking about. So what else is hidden in those mountains?
Get ready, because West Virginia has a bit of a wild streak. We could talk about whitewater rafting through the Gauley River National Recreation Area.
Wow.
We could talk about rock climbing at Seneca Rocks.
Oh, yeah.
We could even, get this, spelunking in Lost World Caverns.
Hold on. Lost World Caverns. That sounds like something straight out of a Jules Verne novel.
And that's the magic of West Virginia. It's full of these hidden gems just waiting to be discovered.
That's incredible. But let's shift gears a bit and talk practicalities. Because I get it, you don't want the generic travel guide spiel. You want those insider tips, right?
Yeah.
So when's the best time to visit? What do you pack? Give us the good stuff.
Timing is everything when it comes to West Virginia. For those postcard-worthy views, think about spring and fall. You'll get incredible foliage and mild weather. And trust me, pack layers. I'm talking moisture-wicking base layers, fleece, a good waterproof outer shell.
Right.
And sturdy hiking boots are an absolute must. And here's a little local tip for you. Always pack a headlamp, even for daytime hike.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, you never know when you might find yourself exploring a shadowy hollow or a cavern. And those caverns, they get dark.
Okay, that's good advice. I'm sold. Now, before we wrap up, I got to circle back to those Lost World Caverns you mentioned.
Yeah.
What makes them so unique?
Imagine this. You're descending deep underground into this hidden world beneath the mountains. It's just mind-blowing. Massive stalactites and stalagmites, underground waterfalls. There's even this giant room they call the War Memorial because of the way sound echoes through it.
Wow.
Like stepping back in time. Just awe-inspiring.
So I gotta ask, with all this talk of ancient trails, wild rivers, and hidden caverns, what will your West Virginia story be? Will it be hiking those ancient trails, braving the rapids, or maybe even discovering your own hidden corner of this incredible state? This deep dive has given you the tools, the inspiration to go out there and write your own West Virginia adventure.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Me too.
Thanks for listening to the show, and be sure to tune in next week for your favorite episode about some of the best beaches and beach information in the world.